Hey guys, welcome to a new video. This is Portuguese Game Week 8 predictions, and if you thought being a Portuguese fan is hard, just watch how they performed in the European midweek games. Sporting needed Marseille's to go down to 10 men for Sporting to beat Marseille 2-1 away from at home. Yeah, they needed 10 men. Imagine. Greenwood was unstoppable. Greenwood could not be stopped. And yeah, Greenwood could not be stopped. And they needed Sporting Marcel to go down to 10 men to be stopped. And yeah, imagine that, the scenes. And also, another scene was how Mourinho's Benfica was smashed by Newcastle 3-0 away from home. 3-0, imagine. And in Europa League, how Braga at least did well by beating Red Star 2-0. Clean win, 2-0, clean. Yeah, that was a good win. And yeah. So let's get it off to Game Week 9 predictions in the Portuguese League. Before we start it off, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We are on 870 subs. Our goal is to reach 900 soon. Yes. So Porto defending champion. Porto is the title leader currently with a title charge of 4 points lead. 3 points lead, yeah, above defending champions Sporting. Yes, so first game is Alverca versus Gil Vicente. That one I'm predicting to be a 2-1 win for 1-1 draw between the two teams. They're both even. Yeah. So next one is Santa Clara versus AF. Yeah, so Alverca versus Gil Vicente. Avalsa is position 9 with 10 points. Gil Vicente is position 4 with 16 points. I see it being even out, 1-1 draw. Santa Clara of position 13 with 8 points is hosting AFS in position 16, 18 with 1 point. I see Santa Clara glopping points here, and they could glop points. I wish I could be wrong. Yeah, but I see them dropping points. I could be wrong. I'm going for 1-1 prediction. Next is Benfica versus Arouca. Arouca is position 11th with 9 points. They're traveling to Benfica, who has double of the points, 18 points, third position. And yeah, this is an easy win. I see Benfica smashing Arouca T1. Next is Estrela versus Rio Ave. Estrela is position 15. Rio Ave is position 12 with 8 points. Yeah, Estrela is 1 point behind Rio Ave. That one I'm going to go for a win for Rio Ave. Rio Ave has always beaten Estrela, and I see it being a tight win, so 2-1. It could be even 1-0. Yeah, but I see it 2-1. Estoril versus Nacional. Estoril is position 16. They're going against position 10, Nacional. And yeah, so 4 points. Nacional is 4 points above Estoril. So I see that being a 3-1 win for Nacional. No, 2-1 win for Nacional, yes. Next is Famalicão versus Victoria. Victoria is position 7 and Fama is above Victoria with 2 points lead. Above Victoria, 6 points, position 6. And this one I'm going for 1-1 draw. Both teams are even out. Next is Tondela versus Sporting Lisbon. Sporting Lisbon has always marked Tondela. This one will be an easy 3-1 win for Sporting. Next is Braga versus Casa Pia. This one I'm going for Braga win to beat Casa Pia 2-1. I know Casa Pia beat Braga twice back to back last season. I see Braga getting revenge. Braga is currently position 8 with 10 points. Casa Pia is position 14 with 8 points. So yeah, I see that happening. Last game is Moreirense versus Porto. That one I'm going for Porto to smash Moreirense 3-1. Yes, so that is it. And yeah, make sure you like the video, make sure you comment down your predictions, because I'm going to check the comment section to see your comments below. And yeah, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like, make sure you share with the friends and family members. And yeah, and I'll see you guys next time.